my channel. I'm Keithley. If you are new here, welcome, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And to all the subscribers, thank you for all the support. So for today's video, I'll be showing you guys my go-to makeup summer look. Let's make it pretty simple and natural. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into how I created this look. Alright, let's start with the base. I will be using the Touch and Soul Primer, which is a Korean brand, and this really smoothens your skin and makes your pores less visible. I really like this kasi ang lambot niya sa face and magandang maglagay ng primer kasi mas kumakapit and nagsistay ng matagal yung makeup. Next is foundation. I'm not really into using them, but when I do, I love using this L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Matte Foundation. Because you can't really feel na may nilagay ka kasi it's very lightweight. This will give you the perfect coverage that will last long. Then, I'm gonna use this beauty blender. So, sprayan lang natin siya. I really dab it a lot para hindi mamuo and hindi siya mahalata na naka-foundation ka. Para kapit na kapit siya. Next is concealer from Perfect Diary in the shade B00. I'm gonna go under my eyes kasi medyo malaki yung aking eye bags, my nose, or kahit saan na gusto nyo malagyan para ma-brighten up siya. And kung may gusto kayong matakpan ng mga dark spots, ito yung magiging lifesaver nyo. To blush, we're going to use this Sunny's Face Air Blush in the shade Disco. Shucks, ang ganda nito. I super duper love this. Ang perfect nung pagka-red niya. As in, para kang tisay na tisay. And I got this on sale from 495 to 250 na lang. Kaya sobrang happy ako. Just to set all the cream products na ginamit ko, I will use this Happy Skin Aqua Cooling Setting Powder. The next thing that I'll do is to apply a bronzer. I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter in the shade Light Bronzer. I love using it kasi masyadong pale ang skin ko. Para naman magkaroon ng shadow, hindi siya yung puting-puti, kaya gustong-gusto ko tong gamitin. Of course, let's not forget the contour. I'm using the Vice Cosmetics. This is kind of my best friend kasi pinapalit niya talaga yung mukha ko. It gives the illusion na maliit siya. For the eyebrows, I'm gonna use this from Etude House. Maganda to kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng parang fake hair. Next is brow mascara from Happy Skin in the shade Caramel Brown. Shadow, what I do is nilalagyan ko muna ng contour from Vice Cosmetics para makakreate siya ng defined na crease. Then, papatungan ko nitong bronzer na ginamit natin kanina. Lalagyan ko din ng brown eyeliner dito para mas lumaki tingnan yung aking mata. So, I will be using the Teviant Eyeliner. So, spread lang natin siya ng konti. Then, let's curl my lashes. See that? Such a huge difference. Biglang nabuhay yung mata ko. For the mascara, let's use this Lash Lift from Maybelline. Halata ba yung pilik mata? Ay, nakalimutan ko pala maglagay yung dito sa baba ng eyeshadow. So, wait lang guys. Bronzer. So, kung ano yung linagay ko sa taas, yun din yung ilalagay ko dito sa baba. So, yung contour and itong bronzer. So, dadagdagan ko lang ng konti yung aking mascara. See? Mascara always does a good job of bringing some flair to your eyes. Alright, we're going to move on to the lips. I'm just gonna use this lip and cheek tint from Happy Skin in the shade Tough. Medyo patungan ko lang siya nitong peachy kind ng Sunny's din para hindi siya ganun ka-red. Alright. Ay, nakalimutan ko pala maglagay ng highlighter. So, ito ulit yung gagamitin ko from Vice Cosmetics. So, meron na siyang kasamang highlighter. Sobrang ganda ng highlighter nito, guys. Kamay na nga lang gamitin ko. And then, a little bit dito. That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!